in 2026. Everything around us is becoming more digital. Because of that, it's equally important to keep our Android phones updated. Only then can we stay secure and protected in today's online world. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to use Avast free antivirus and security in 2026 and how you keep your Android phone safe and secure. As well all know, Avast Antivirus is available on Google Play Store. You can easily install it from there. Once the installation is complete, simply open the app. Before moving ahead, there is one important thing I want to mention. Avast has over 100 million downloads on Play Store and holds a 4.5 star rating. This clearly shows that the application is reliable and trusted. When you open the app, you will see an interface like this. It may take a few seconds to load, so just wait for a moment. Here, Avast inform you that it is trusted by millions of users and that you are in safe hands. Simply tap on Get Started, then tap on Continue. After that, Avast asks for notification permission so it can send important security alerts. Allow this permission to continue. Next, Avast will introduce its premium plans with the Pro version. You get features like Deep Scan, Call Guard, SMS Guard, Email Guard, Link Guard, automatic scanning and app lock. You can choose the premium plan if you want. For now, we will close this and focus on what Avast free offers. If you select the free version, you will need to continue with ads. Tap continue and you will see a message saying thank you for choosing Avast Mobile Security. Now tap on Let's Make You Secure button. After that, you will see a clean and simple dashboard. From here, you can start a scan immediately or you can skip it. I am skipping the scan for now because I want to explain the interface first. You can start a smart scan anytime from here. Below that, you will find options like junk clean, app scan, internet speed check and automatic scan. When you tap on scan, Avast begins scanning your entire device. You just need to wait a short time. Once the scan reaches 100%, the result will appear on your screen. This shows the overall security status of your phone. As you can see, the scan is complete and a few security issues are displayed. If you scroll down, you will clearly see what these issues are. For example, unsafe browsing protection may be displayed, or your phone might not have a skin lock or biometric security. Avast explain exactly what step you should take to make your phone more secure. You can also check advanced issue to understand additional security risk. Some options are premium, but free user can still fix many issues manually by tapping the green fix button. Now let's look at junk clean. When you tap on it, Avast scan your phone for junk file. After scanning, you will see all necessary files taking up space on your device. Tap finish clean to remove them and improve performance. Next, go to the Explore section. Here you can see all the security features Avast provided. For example, there's a web guard protection. When enabled, it protects your browsing activity and helps block unsafe websites. Avast continuously monitors your phone and works in the background to keep you protected. You will also find a Wi-Fi speed test option. This allows you to check your internet connection speed. Once the test is complete, a detailed speed report appears on the screen. Overall, this is my complete review of Avast free antivirus in 2026. The app has become more advanced and includes useful features to help secure your Android phone. There is also an alert section that shows action you should take immediately to improve your phone security. So, if you truly want to keep your phone secure in today's digital world, make sure to subscribe to the channel because here you will find practical and useful videos that genuinely help you stay protected.